Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. I am Vidyut Shah and you are watching Third Eye. In today's video, I want to explain how we will use speech recognition to convert a speech into a text. So without wasting the time, let's get started. First, we will import the library called speech recognition. Then we have to create an instance of this recognizer. For that reason, we are creating the recognizer as sr.recognizer. Now we have to define a source. That means from where the audio will be received to be converted into the text. For that reason, we will use sir.microphone. Actually, we want to read the sound from the microphone as a source. So when the system will get ready, it should be good to give an indicator, something like this, say anything. Here is a keyword spelling mistake. Yeah. Now we have to wait and listen whatever the audio comes from the microphone. Here we have to pass the source. So with this audio text reference, the text of the corresponding audio will be stored, but that will be not a proper text formatted. For that reason, we will use another kind of conversion to get the exact text. For that reason, we will do within a try catch block. Here we will extract the text by the recognizer dot recognize. Here different types of option you can use, but for now we will use the recognizer of the Google. Here we will pass the audio text. So finally the text is ready. We will print the text like your text is so as we use the try block, so we have to use the expect block here. If it is not happen properly, then an error message will be thrown, and that will be some error is occurred. So our code is ready. Now we will check and execute this. For that we'll use Python hello world. So it is clearly decoded and extract the text of hello world. So we can give another text or another voice to get the corresponding text. This is a month of January. Wow, that's great. So in this way, we can use the speech recognition library to extract the text from the speech, and you can fit this in your any kind of project or anything, whatever you want. So please do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.